Hello everyone, welcome back again. I am Professor Salimullah from PG Mose College of Engineering, Wagholi, Pune. Now in this video lecture, we will learn about what is the quality assurance and quality control in civil engineering or in civil engineering construction. Let's see what is quality, why it is required, and who is the responsible for quality. Now what is meant by quality? Quality is a degree or grade of excellence or worth. It is a degree or grade of excellence. Whatever the process, whatever the product we developed, whatever the construction activity we do, now it will achieve the degree or grade of it. It should be in that work we need to achieve the grade or grade of excellence or worth. Okay, so then what is meant by assurance? Assurance किसे कहते हैं? The act of giving confidence. Act of giving confidence. Confidence देने को. The state of being certain or the act of making certain. The state of being certain or the act of making certain. कुछ तो जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स हम बना रहे हैं उसके अंदर उस पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट या जो भी कंस्ट्रक्शन की एक्टिविटी हम कर रहे हैं उसके अंदर एश्योरेंसी आना चाहिए, एश्योरिटी आना चाहिए. ओके, इट इज कॉल्ड एज एश्योरेंस. नाउ व्हाट इज मीन बाय क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस? द प्लान्ड एंड सिस्टमैटिक एक्टिविटीज इम्प्लीमेंटेड इन अ क्वालिटी सिस्टम. एक पर्टिकुलर सिस्टमैटिक जो एक्टिविटीज़ रहती है उनका अच्छे से प्लान और सिस्टमैटिक implementation जो रहती है in a quality system so that quality requirements for a product or service will be fulfilled. इससे क्या होता है कि जो भी प्रोडक्ट या सर्विस हम बना रहे हैं उसकी जितने भी क्वालिटी रिक्वायरमेंट्स है वो फुलफिल होने चाहिए, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? क्वालिटी अश्योरेंस. दैट इज नोन एज क्वालिटी अश्योरेंस. नाउ व्हाट इज मीन बाय कंट्रोल? कंट्रोल मीन्स दैट एन इवैल्यूएशन टू इंडिकेट needed corrective responses. Control means what? An evaluation, an activity to indicate needed corrective responses. The act of guidance, a process in which variability is attributed. Okay, now whatever the process is going on, whatever the services we giving to the customers, we need to do the control on it. Okay, the observation techniques and activities used to fulfill requirements for quality, and for that purpose how to achieve that control? By using the observation techniques and activities. Next, who will be responsible for quality control and who will be the responsible for quality assurance? Now here in construction activities for quality control, a contractor is very important. Okay, usually the contractor is responsible for the quality control and which making sure that the standards are met for the production. Whatever the activities going on the construction sites, then for quality control purpose contractor is responsible. Now what about the quality assurance? Usually the government or outside third party is responsible for performing quality assurance. Quality assurance के लिए who is responsible? Government or any outside third party. Okay, quality assurance के लिए responsible रहती है. Now in quality assurance, which is spot checking of contract compliance. Contract में जितने भी compliance है उसका checking, then test results and ultimately making sure that the quality control process is working or not. Okay, now this is very important. Quality control, who is the responsible? Contractor. Quality assurance, who is the responsible? Government or third party which is involved in the construction activities. Now next is how to achieve the quality assurance. Now government organizations or clients like BSB, MOWHS, these are the government organizations, or any executing agencies will have very clear guidance on what is required per contract. Okay, what is the required for contract as far as quality assurance and quality control concerned. Okay, now it includes policy and guidelines, it includes standards and specifications of works, it includes the rules and regulations how to achieve that particular quality assurance, and it includes the terms and conditions of the contract. Okay, so contract is very important in achieving the quality assurance and quality control in the construction activities. Now, who is the responsibility? Whose responsibility to achieve the quality assurance? It involves regular but random testing of materials. In any construction activity, it is very important to take the test of the materials. Okay, so it involves regular but random testing of materials and workmanship. Workmanship means what? Those who are work on the site to complete that construction activity, that is called as the workmanship, and it should be test time based or work based intervals. Okay, now what will happen? It will happen prevent, identify and correct quality related problems. Okay, by using these terms we can get preventive activities, we can get identify whatever the errors are there and correct that quality related problems. Okay, now during the construction process, quality assurance instructors mostly provide guidance. What they provide? Mostly provide the guidance and leadership to the construction people who are involved in the construction activities. These quality assurance instructors mostly provide the guidance and the leadership. Okay, so it is very important. Then what about the quality control? The construction contracts. Okay, whatever the contract we made before the construction, that construction contract defines the quality standards and the quality control testing requirements. Okay, so how to achieve the quality control? By making the contract between the third party and the owner. Okay, so it defines the quality standards, specifications and the quality control testing requirements. Okay, then in that case the contractor must prepare a detailed quality control plan. Who play the role of control plan? Contractor. He must prepare a detailed quality control plan for each and every work. Okay, detailing on how the quality standard will be achieved. Okay, so how to apply that quality control plan, it is depending upon the contractor. Okay, so he should make a proper plan, okay, to achieve the quality. Next, the quality control plan must be approved before the start of particular work. Whatever the work is going on, then the quality control plan must be approved before that particular work. Okay, so it is very important. Approval of the plan is very important. Then the contractor requires that the quality control testing lab be validated. Okay, whenever the quality control is required, then where that test is done, it is very important. That's why the testing lab should be validated. So, and it should be approved. It should be approved source. Okay, so and quality testing lab be validated by the approved source, that is the institutions, consultants, okay, a competent testing house or firm or agency. Okay, so it is very important. Now when should it be done? Now here, contract formulation for quality assurance, it should include the specifications for building and road works, project specific specifications. Okay, now here concrete mix design, then what is the mixing formula? Okay, usually concrete mix design is useful for RCC structures and JFM for road design. Okay, so it is very important, contract formulation in quality assurance. Next, construction phase, it should achieved by the quality control. Planning is one of the first phase, setting of site amenities and then construction process, and it involves supervision, inspection and monitoring, material testing and verification. So for this purpose, quality control purpose, it is achieved by the supervision, inspection and monitoring, material testing and verification. Next, where it is used, infrastructural developments. So where it should be used, first is building construction, road construction and bridge construction, and wherever the most of the projects are included in this process. So next, construction quality plan. What is mean by the construction quality plan? Now it is that the procuring agency, it is a plan which is, that is the construction quality plan, is that procuring agency want to know how you are going to control the quality on their projects. किस तरह से आप अपने प्रोजेक्ट्स के ऊपर क्वालिटी को अचीव कर सकते हैं, किस तरह से करना है, ये एक शो कौन करता है, क्वालिटी प्लान, कंस्ट्रक्शन का जो क्वालिटी प्लान है वो शो करता है. सो व्हेन यू आर राइट अ प्लान, अगर आप कुछ राइट कर रहे हैं प्लान एज अ कॉन्ट्रैक्टर, देन मेक इट क्लियर हाउ यू विल कंट्रोल ऑल एरियाज ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट्स. तो किस तरह से आप पर्टिकुलर एरियाज को इस कंट्रोलिंग में किस तरह से कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, सो दैट अफेक्ट प्रोजेक्ट दैट अफेक्ट क्वालिटी, नॉट जस्ट व्हाट इंस्पेक्शंस, क्या आपने इंस्पेक्शंस किया है या क्या टेस्ट किया है. ठीक है, तो ये इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है. तो पूरा का पूरा जो कुछ भी जितने भी प्रोजेक्ट के एरियाज़ है वहाँ पे आपको कंट्रोल करना है. ये पूरा का पूरा प्लान आपके कंस्ट्रक्शन क्वालिटी प्लान में इंक्लूड होना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जांपल, कंट्रोलिंग मटेरियल्स, हाउ यू कंट्रोल द मटेरियल्स. पर्सनल, सब कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स, पर्सनल को किस तरह से आप करते हैं, सब कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स को किस तरह से कंट्रोल करना है, या वर्क प्रोसीजर्स को किस तरह से कंट्रोल करना है. यहाँ पे it is very play an important role in ensuring quality results. Okay, so how you purpose quality plan, it depends upon the contractors. Now next is construction quality plan includes the project personnel, quality communication, okay, then the quality assurance surveillance, then subcontractors and suppliers for project quality specifications, okay, inspections and tests, okay, control of non-conformances and project completion inspections. Okay, so these are the various variables which are included in quality plan. Now then, who is the responsible for contractor? Okay, he make the plan and which is includes these terms. Construction quality control plans includes then plan for equipment, plan for labors, design controls, tests, okay, task inspections, material inspections, then suppliers, documents and control, record controls, preventive and corrective actions. It includes all these terms in the quality plan. So inspection and test, for inspection and test, these three terms are important. First is the material inspection, test inspection, and then okay, these two terms are very important. Then construction quality plan includes this structure. Then first is the president, it includes president, then superintendent, okay, project manager, and this project manager is connected to the quality manager. Quality manager do inspection and testing agencies. Then again superintendent, it is for crew foreman, subcontractors, and another is the purchasing or estimating manager department. Okay, these are all connecting to the contracting officer. So this is the project quality control organization chart. Now then, this is the inspection and test plans. Okay, you can see like this. It includes contract number, project name, contractor. Okay, now this is the example sheet. This is first is the item number, then specific code, specifications of that particular section. You can see cast in place concrete, cast in place concrete, metal roof panels, water absorption. Okay, one by one. Then subsection. Okay, then test, which test we required, frequency. Okay, then test by who this does test. Okay, then date completed, date forwarded. Okay, and then final remark. Okay, This is the inspection, test plan and log. So this is something about the quality assurance and quality control and construction quality plan. Okay, in the next video lecture we will learn about what are the problems will be arise during the construction activity and what can be done in details. Let's see in the next video lecture.